Dr. Vinay, and we are with a group of vets. We are in SK's clinic and we are trying to understand the basics of ultrasound. So all those people who are new to ultrasound, who want to learn the simple thing that I would like to use to understand, to get started with the ultrasound, you need to understand the depth, focus and frequency. These are the three buttons that you want to get familiar. So this is the machine that we have. So we have a frequency button over here, focus button over here and the depth button over here. So you want to make sure that your image covers at least 3/4 of the screen. You want to focus over here. So this arrow, if you see over here carefully, okay. So this arrow over here is the focus. Now if I change the frequency of then I get a frequency over here. So I have 7.5 megahertz, 5 megahertz over here. Okay, 10 megahertz. So less the frequency, that means higher the penetration, and higher the frequency means you have better the resolution. And these are the three buttons that are most important for you to get started. And then as you start playing with the machine, you will be familiar with even more like the buttons and how to create the data. There are only 6 artifacts. If you see carefully, there are only 6 artifacts in an ultrasound. First one is called as a acoustic imaging, then there is an edge acoustic imaging, there is a shadowing, then there is an edge shadowing, which means the shadows towards the edge of the structure. Then we have refraction, where the sound waves have hit and they have deflected a little bit. Then you have reverberation, like when you have a structure which is solid, then liquid and the gas, especially in the intestine, you will be able to see that. Then you will have bandwidth artifacts, especially when you have a lot of organs and if you are trying to do, you'll have multiple images, especially at the abdomen area, which is very dense. You'll have the bandwidth artifact. And the last one is mirror image artifact. Mirror image artifact is especially very common near the diaphragm. So rule out the artifacts first. Make sure you have a dark room. Make sure you're sitting comfortably. Make sure your patient is well clipped. Make sure the site is clean. Make sure you have the right probe, the right frequency, the right depth, right focus. Rule out your artifacts first. Go for the easy structures. The bladder is the easy structure. The spleen is the easy structure. Then you can go for the stomach. Slowly, when you get confident, work on the kidneys, the left kidney, the right kidneys, and then you can, if once you are good with your basics, then you can train also for even advanced things. Okay, there is T-fast, there is A-fast, there is focus ultrasound or focus assessment of sonography for trauma, for abdominal also, for thorax also. Then there is echocardiography, and there are so many things that you can do. But let's start somewhere, and start is the basics, and it will help. There are self-learning softwares of ultrasound are there, X-rays are there. All you need is to spend some time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but every day, and it will help you to develop your skills and be a very good diagnostic imaging specialist. Thank you.